Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Comcast Corporation step by step clearly. Before investing in Comcast Corporation, conduct thorough research on the company. Understand Comcast's business model, including its cable, internet, and entertainment services. Review the company's financial statements to assess its profitability and growth potential. Look at recent news and market trends that may impact Comcast's performance. Determine your investment goals, whether for long-term growth or short-term gains. Choose a brokerage platform that suits your needs, considering fees and ease of use. Open an account with the brokerage by providing the necessary personal and financial information. Fund your brokerage account through bank transfer, wire transfer, or other accepted methods. Search for Comcast Corporation by its stock ticker symbol, Comcast. Analyze the current stock price and compare it to your research findings. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your budget and investment strategy. Submit a buy order, selecting between a market order or a limit order depending on your preference. Review the order details before finalizing the purchase. Monitor your investment regularly, keeping an eye on company performance and market conditions. Consider setting alerts for significant news or price changes related to Comcast. Periodically reassess your investment strategy to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Stay informed about industry trends that may impact Comcast's future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.